Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Sycamore, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're looking to take the stress out of your move, our Confident Movers will help make your long-distance move so much easier. Whether you're moving just one state over or across the nation, we're here to help. Moving isn't very easy, however, and using the right moving services can certainly make it a lot easier. Selecting our team means you receive access to the common long-distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Choosing to hire a local Illinois moving company may not seem like it's worth the cost. However, if you begin to realize the conveniences, the price seems to be well worth it. Any trustworthy moving company can definitely save you time on your local move. Movers can also ensure you don't have to worry about injury because you won't have to do any heavy lifting. When you work with our movers, you receive specialists ready to make your local move incredibly easy. Moving day becomes simple with 3 Movers due to the fact that we improve your whole entire move. Even though your move is big enough that it would take you all week, we can get it done in no more than a single day. If you're planning to hire a dependable moving company in Sycamore, call our professionals today. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sycamore moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.